my god. Oh my god.
This is awesome. This is fucking awesome.
Not so close.
Ready? Look.
No, not that close to us.
They're not gonna attack you, Kimberly.
They will. No, they're awesome. Look. He just wants the bread. See? Mommy's afraid of birds.
Okay, then let's go away from the birds.
Oh no, honey. It's just. Look at them, baby.
Guys, we're all out. I'm sorry.
That's it.
We're all out, guys.
They loved it.
We're all out. Sorry. Buddies, I love all of you. Bye, guys.
Look at them.
Watch, they disperse. Watch them just disperse.
What's wrong?
Oh my God, they're sitting here waiting on us.